Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aidogex token. Now this token is about to start their pre-sale in just under 4 days on pinksale.finance. They have all sorts of cool features here. This is a very well put together project. But before we get into this, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Aidogex. So AI space Dogex is the name of the token. Aidogex, all one word, is the ticker symbol. This token has a full audit, so they were audited by Seifu, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PigSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to verify who they are for security reasons, and they also have a Seifu badge here by CoinSalt, and you can view that on PigSale as well. So all sorts of good security features there. They have an Instagram at Aidogex, a GitHub on here, Telegram is at AIDogeX_official. Their Twitter is at AIDogeX_, and their official webpage, aidogex.com. So Aidogex brings the principles of aerospace technology and artificial intelligence to the world of meme cryptocurrencies, tapping into the power of AI, the space industry, and blockchain technology. Aidogex aims to revolutionize the cryptocurrency field via autopilot, AI mining, moon engine, zero gravity, starship lock, etc. There will be tons of hype with AI, meme, and space. Buy tax, initial burn 50%, auto burn, auto reflection, AI mining, massive marketing, Seifu, and they have an airdrop link as well, aidogex.link/airdrop. Let me punch that in actually into a different web page here, and you'll see what happens when I punch that in. I haven't checked that out yet. All right, fire that up. Well, that just takes you right over to a Telegram channel, and then it has some tasks. So it says join the Telegram group, follow on Twitter, tag 3 of your friends, follow the Doge, and then there's some airdrop. You can get airdrop prizes. There is first place, second place, third place, fourth place, all different amounts of tokens here. So cool stuff. Yeah. Anyways, you can get a lot of tokens. It says here. So good luck with that. If you win those tokens, that'd be nice. Anyways, 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here. That's a million, billion, 420 trillion tokens, 70 trillion tokens for pre-sale, 41 trillion tokens for liquidity. Soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 25 BNB. So basically the sky is the limit. Looks like a public pre-sale. Doesn't say whitelist only or anything like that. Max contribution is 10 BNB. And pre-sale starts exactly May 7th, 10 o'clock UTC time, and goes till May 10th, 16 hours UTC time. So it's a little bit over 3 days, this pre-sale. If you missed the pre-sale, no worries. You can get the token shortly after the pre-sale is over on PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and trading your BSC for the Aidogex token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, or you could find it on their white paper, ai-dogex.gitbook.io. or their webpage is also aidogex.com, so that's where you can find the contract address. You'll have to wait until the pool is filled, though, on PancakeSwap shortly after the pre-sale's over, so it'll probably be a day or two. And you may have to set slippage. We'll go over the taxes in a second, and liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. According to their token metrics pie chart, 50.2% of the tokens get burnt, 16.6% go to pre-sale, 9.8% go to liquidity, 18% goes to the staking pool, 5% central exchange listings, 0.3% of the tokens are unlocked. So Aidoge brings aerospace, tech, AI, and meme tokens, cryptocurrency to the world. So what is Aidogex? Well, Shiba Inu meme tokens using AI technology and space technology are completely different from ordinary meme coins. Aidogex brings the principles of aerospace, tapping into the power of AI, the space industry, and blockchain. It aims to revolutionize the crypto world via autopilot, AI mining, moon engine, zero gravity, starship lock, etc. So they have all sorts of cool features here. So they have the airdrop here. It says the easiest way to earn. You can earn free tokens quickly and safely by joining the airdrop campaign. That's the best way to get Aidogex at no cost with low risk. So you can join the airdrop there. If I click get airdrop, it just takes me to the same page as I was earlier. Go on Pink Sale and eventually PancakeSwap. So those are three different ways to get the token. So autopilot, the smart contract is well designed for long-term diamond hands. Anyone holding Aidogex will enjoy reflections automatically in real time without any action required. Mining is another great invention and passive income. Deposit Aidogex and it will mine more Aidogex, and the return rate will be adjusted by AI technology according to the investment income of the Aidogex project. So there's going to be burning. They're going to burn 50% of the total supply. Zero gravity, zero buy tax, it says. So let's see if there is sell tax, though. And yeah, let's scroll down to tokenomics. So it says, yeah, it doesn't say actually anything about taxes and the tokenomics there. Now, yeah, I don't see anything about taxes at all, which is strange. I thought they did say there was reflections. Maybe that's from staking. They have a staking pool, but yeah, it doesn't say anything about taxes on here. So if they do announce taxes later on, then you can always write them in the comments down there. But it doesn't say on their white paper specifically what taxes are going to be. Now you can check out a full roadmap talking about when they're going to get central exchange listings. They're trying to get Elon Musk's attention. Mining DApp will be launched. Post-launch marketing, DEX tools trending, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, partnerships, all that type of stuff. Check it all out. ai-dogex.gitbook.io is where you can find all the info. You can find this token starting their pre-sale very soon on Pink Sale, so check it out on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.